So what do you do when you have x root of 9 is equal to 243? This could be any other kind of equation. It could be any kind of number, but the idea here is having x root of whatever the number is equal to whatever the number is. How do you get rid of this x? So what we are going to do first of all is to remember that when you have nth root of a certain number, it can also be written as that number raised to the power the fractional power of whatever is in that radical. Like if you have nth root of b, for instance, this can simply be written as b raised to power 1 over n. That's what I mean to say. So having x root of 9 simply means we can change this to give us 9 raised to power 1 over x. So with that, our work is already done because we've already gotten the backbone of that question. So from here, all we need to do is to break down each of these big numbers to their prime base. So 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2 according to the law of indices. 9 is 3 raised to power 2 and then raised to power 1 over x. So it is equal to 243 itself is 3 raised to power 5. So that when I open this bracket according to the law of indices, I now have 3 raised to power 2 times 1 over x is 2 over x is equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay. So now that we have the same base, it means we can simply equate the powers. So we have 2 over x is equal to 5, and by cross multiplying we see that 5x is equal to 2. Go ahead and divide both sides by 5. And you see that x is 2. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Thank you so much. See you next time.